up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic back with another video. As you can tell by the background back here, you see I'm in the old workshop. That's right, the mini workshop where all the installation work goes down. That's right, that's right. So today I'm gonna be doing a little small project on old Link. That's right. Say what up, Link? Link don't feel like talking today. But anyway, so like I said, I got a little small project I'm gonna be doing on the Lincoln today. I'm gonna be installing a dash cam on the windshield. So with that, we wanted to worry about when we go park somewhere, you know, like at the mall or little small stores, whatever. You know how it is when you come back out, you see a scratch on your bumper, or a big door ding, whatever, something on the side of your door. With that dash cam, now I can be able to catch who did it, so they can't get away. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all exactly which model that I bought. All right, so here we go. So this is the one that I got right here, NextBase dash cam. As you can see, it come with a little rear cam, and I already took everything all out the box already. Here's the little rear cam right here. Small little box though, you know. The rest of the accessories, and here's the dash cam itself. Looks pretty cool though. Not that big and bulky. Yep. Can't wait to install it. So yep. Once I finish that, I'm going to come back with y'all, you know, and show y'all the finished product just to let you know how it came out, you know. Once again, look at old Link back there. Yeah, man. Y'all see Link. Link shining on y'all a little bit. Man, I'm just kidding, man. Link a little dirty right now, you know, with all this rain been going on. But like I said, I'm going to get back with y'all when I finish this little project.
1 hour later.
What up, YouTube? Your boy is back. So I got the dash cam installed in the truck, and everything is working pretty good. It came out pretty nicely. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. There it is. It's not a bad little camera though. Got a nice little pitch on it. Now, the only thing that I dislike, though, it doesn't come with an SD card. So you have to go buy your mini SD card for the install in this. That's the only bummer about it, you know. But other than that, I mean, hey, I like it, though, you know. It shows pretty good. Like I say, you can see how I got it installed on my windshield. So I got the wire ran up through the top. It's going behind this headliner up here. So you can't see no wires. Ain't no wires hanging at all. None. See that? Got it going all the way down through. I'll open the door for you. See that? You see nothing hanging. No wires showing at all. Yep, no wires showing. Nah, so what I did, kind of like where we can just still like use that plug that came with it. So what I did, I wired it where it came along the side along here, and I had a little opening right here by the driver seat, so that way I can just keep the cord right there and just plug it into the cigarette lighter. As you can see, it's on. You see the blue light on. Yep. But it came out pretty good there, though. You can see that little mini reflection right there. That's the little small camera right there showing me. But yep, like I say, it came out pretty good though, y'all. And if you're wondering what model this is, let me get the box. I'll show you. It's this right here. It's a NextBase 222X, the rear cam bundle. Like I say, you can pick this up at Walmart right here. And like I said, the only thing that I don't like about it, though, that it don't come with an SD card. But, hey, if you're here in Georgia, you can go right there to Micro Center and you can get a good deal on the little micro cards for these here, pretty reasonable price, But, hey, other than that, hey, it works pretty good. It was pretty easy to set up, too, so. Hey, so, look. Like, comment, subscribe, hey. If you need any other little tips, helping install anything, hey, look. Like I say, just leave me a comment and I'll get back with you, And make sure you turn on that notification bell because I drop videos daily. So, turn that bell on so you'll know when the next video drop. So, until then, hey, I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your day.